These are so fun. They're all carved and they're just awesome. We got in all this new shell and mother of pearl from Australia, and we're super excited about it. So we're going to design a pair of earrings with these today. So I haven't fully decided a few things about this design, so we're gonna do it as we go. So I'm gonna start with the gold one, and I've got 3-inch 22 gauge ball pins here. I really love the ball pins as opposed to the head pins because they just have this sweet little ball on them, which just adds a little bit extra to your design. See, doesn't it look so nice? All right, so I'm just gonna wanna attach this here. I'm really liking these going down this way, but if you prefer it to go this way, you can definitely flip it. You could also flip this and have it go down and do a design like that. But we're gonna have these as kits in the stainless in gold and silver. So you can pick and do whichever way you'd like. And we'll include enough chain to where you can make them as long or as short as you'd like. So I'm gonna start with this gold one, and I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm just gonna put it right up against there, and I'm gonna bend that away, creating a little angle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my pliers here and wrap around and make a little loop. And then I'm going to attach this to here. Since I'm not sure how long I'm gonna want this, I'm just gonna leave it attached so that I can figure it out once I get this attached. And I'm just gonna hold it at the loop I've made and coil it around a couple times and cut off the excess wire. And the stainless is really hard to cut, the chain and the ball pins. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you've got some really strong cutters. The stainless is amazing as it holds up and it's non-tarnish, but it's a hard metal, so you're gonna need some strong cutters to cut it. So now that I've got this on here, I think that I'm going to want it maybe to about right there. So it's long, but you can cut it short, you know, whatever length that you would like. I'm just feeling this length. I like long earrings. So you just want to cut this on one side of the loop. And then that's just going to cut out. And then I'm just going to take my ear wire and I'm going to twist that loop open. I'm going to string on my chain, and then I'm going to twist that back into place. So just like that, one earring is made. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. My plier is right there. Bend it at an angle. Loop that around. And we're going to attach it to the chain. I'm going to hold this right here and coil it around a few times. Then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then going to want to cut the one above that. sure that I did correctly and they match up. Looks like they do. So then I'm going to grab my ear wire and I'm going to twist the bottom up, add my chain, and then twist that back into place. And there we've got one pair of earrings done. And then for the one with silver, I think I'm going to make them a tad bit shorter and have the chain go up instead of down. So I think I'm going to do like maybe 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to cut it up here. And there's that one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the other one while I'm at it. This cut piece is still attached right here, so I've got to get that off. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to cut above that. There we go. There's 6. And then we're going to take the ball pens. There's that one. All right, so I'm going to hold this here. Coil it around. And then I'm going to attach this way so that these go up. And then I'm going to hold this right here and coil it around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one. And then I'll add the ear wires. I'm going to hold that right there, coil that back around. Cut off the excess wire. And then we're going to open our ear wires. And there we go. So you can make them longer or shorter. You can have the chain go up or down, whichever you prefer. But we will have these in a kit at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.